my name is Caroline Carr. I'm one of the trainers at the Media House, working specifically on our dedicated new course that's all around creating personas to help marketeers. 3 things you really need to think about in the stages of creating those personas. The first is to create a simple persona for your target audience. Everything from sex, age, demographic, location, likes, dislikes, that sort of thing. Give that person a name and really imagine them. The second is to create something called a customer empathy map. And that really delves into what really makes your audience tick. What were they really thinking about? What do they like, dislike? What are their feelings on certain topics, etc. Real customer empathy map so that you can naturally have empathy with them. And the third thing for me is to really, and probably the most important, is to really think about all those pain points and challenges that they have. What are they really struggling with in their job role? What do they need help with? And how can your event help them? If you really understand their pain points and their challenges, their fears, their needs, then you will be able to write marketing copy that really addresses that. So join me on my new course, Creating Personas.